Or Malayan box turtle. Yan yung typical na pagong na nagkalat sa bansa natin. Hello! Busog yan. Eros. Pet actually, kasi constrictor sila, hindi sila venomous. Pag pythons, constrictor, ibig sabihin non-venomous. So sa lahat naman like that of a yellow corn sa United States at saka yung isa sa mga most recommended na
Safari in the Philippines, located at Subic Bay, Import Zone. Joining us is our 8-month-old Philippine Long-tailed Macaw, named Moana. Totally known as Machik, or in general term, Unggoy. Their prey. Beyond 100 years. The largest waterfowls, commonly dance moths, and even though they are called waterfowls, they spend most of their time on land. They can be trained. Dogs can be trained to detect cancer and other diseases in humans. Family are here with a parade. Our Bubalos, Dubais, Carabinensis. They have albinism, which means the absence or lack of melanin in their bodies. Melanin gives them color and protects their skin, also known as the Oreo cattle. They can be found in Scotland. They can live approximately up to 25 years in captivity. Miniature donkeys. A Pueblo miniature donkey can grow approximately 3 feet tall and has the lifespan of a horses named Donkey and Vicente. Of baby tigers and their adult counterparts is strengthened by habitat loss and illegal poaching. Conservation efforts is a crucial role in protecting these magnificent creatures for future generations. Tigers have unique stripes that no two tigers are alike. They can grow to the length of 12 feet, excluding the tail, and they can weigh 300 to 600 pounds. Tigers are the top predator and very important in keeping an ecosystem healthy. They are bigger and stronger than all cats, making them the true king of the jungle. Once again, a round of